We are saying every time, everyone, water is life. But water is just not only life. Water making the climate and climate making water. So we can say today, water is climate and climate is water.
When you're young, there's a lot of things that you're asking. Why am I here? What is my purpose? What is my connection to spirituality? What is my connection to the earth?
I need to know more about climate change. I need to learn about solutions.
We messed up the situation to a big degree, and it is time now not only to stop messing up, but to actively be part of the regeneration.
El agua es la base de la estructura del ordenamiento de nuestro territorio.
If we include water in our understanding of the climate crisis, we can actually restore ecosystems.
I am working water conservation from last 35 years. I am regenerate 11 rivers. Due to the visual impact, the people believe me and join.
Building a pond or lake is really hard for one person, but if they join together as a community, there is always living in the land of full of possibility.
I think we need to help the natural rainwater cycles to be stabilized again. And the crucial factor in that is vegetation. When we bring in water into the climate debate, we can start from tomorrow on to talk about climate restoration and not about adaptation to climate change. And this is something that needs immediate action.